Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Subaru Outback Sport, stock reference number 5709. This shape runs from the first month 2021 and is the current shape. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight does have scratches, left fog light, left rear door has no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior with green leather interior with green stitching, automatic console, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, phone and paddle shift.